Hey guys, it's Sherman 2K, but this time in real life. So, we're just walking around my house, and that's my dog Lead. Now, I'll show you Sherman, my dog. That's how I got my Minecraft name. Hey Sherman, you wanna come out? Come on now, come on. He's so tiny. He's a Maltese cross toy poodle. Me! And playing with Sherman. And yeah, sorry. Playing with Sherman. Sorry, that's my dad. And yeah. Come here, Sherman. Yeah, then he came up. Sorry. Then he came up. Sorry, Dad. I didn't. I came outside to just do a video, and then Sherman came out. Sorry, this is my dad. Look at your face. Look at your face. Sorry, that's my dad. And yeah. Sherman. Aww. Let him have a look at your face. Aw, you're so cute. You're so adorable. I just want to pet you. You're so cute. So cute. Give me a kiss. No. Okay then. And Sherman says goodbye. Sherman, wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye.